pooped in your pull-up?
Jacob.
Jacob pooped in your pull-up.
Yeah.
So the poop that was in your pull-up, you're saying that Jacob's the one that came and pooped into it. Yeah? You didn't poop in your pull-up?
Jacob am.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Oh, Jacob! Jacob, don't sit on there.
That's okay. Don't worry. I'm sure he's not going to poop on it. Okay. Now listen to me. How did Jacob poop in your pull-up?
The move my pants and poop.
He pulled down your pants and he pooped in your pull-up?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure that you did not poop in your pull-up?
Yeah.
And who pooped in your pull-up?
Jacob.
Okay, just wanted to make sure we were straight on that.
Oh, please.
Bye.